At Marco, we have an amazing dealer network, and supporting our dealers is a key part of what makes Marco successful. Our sole mission is delivering quality, affordable classroom furnishings to schools all across America. Our Marco family is working every day to serve our dealers. And our investments show our dedication and commitment to deliver the value and assortment that our dealers and end users need when they need it. In the last year, we've made significant investments that support our mission. We're keeping more inventory on the shelf to offer shorter lead times and a faster turnaround. We've added more space to organize and store our inventory. And we continue to invest millions of dollars in the newest and most advanced equipment and technologies available that support them every step of the way. In the 26 years I've run my family business, I've never been more excited about our future. When it says made by Marco, we're invested in your success.